Here we have the Oasis standard bypass. This is similar to ones that maybe we grew up with years and years ago, but it has come a long way. This here has no metal around the glass. With no metal means very easy to clean, nowhere for mildew and mold to get stuck and grow and flourish. It also has clean track technology, which allows the water to simply go right back into the shower and down the drain, not ponding or causing any issues with respect to cleaning here as well. It gives you 2 entry points, so you can go in either on the right side or the left side because both doors do slide, and you can exit also either on the right side or the left side. One of the nicest features is you'll never have a door that opens and drips water on your floor. This is the Oasis standard bypass in heavy 3/8 frameless glass.
OasisShowerDoors.com